Day, everybody. Good day, everybody. Blah, 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 blah. So here we are with Brian from quantlabsnet.com. Just wanted to show you a lot of my reporting has been radically improved. This particular one you're looking at now is gold futures. So this is a report that I've shown before in my video. Some modifications to it and tables and all that. You can see here we have our annual volatility at 16.9%. We have a new option chain display, the calls and puts, and the strike and the appropriate Greeks. But I'm using this particular one for both the call and the put to get more accurate information. So here we've added 10-day 10-day prediction on the red, the pricing of the prediction. We now have pretty well all the reports, 39 of them, have a more balanced call put parity. We have a better, more accurate frontier, risk frontier. Also, similarly, because it's more tighter now between the call and the puts in the parity, the different strategies for the options look a little tighter, a little better, more realistic. Still a lot of work to be there, to be done. Also, we've got our payoff diagrams as well. We've also got better tables on hedging, analysis, and all the P&L analysis as well. And then we can also look at price boundaries, the gold price for option pricing, and all and on and on I can go within this report. So, I was just on a bunch of calls kind of the last week saying people do not have faith in the world of trading and algo trading, specifically when it comes to high frequency trading. I'm going to show you I've been able to take this report and generate a C++ backend and a web front as well. And it's all from this report. And this is the sort of strategy that's custom built from this report. So I can apply this from the 39 uh, future reports that I have that I'm able to create and actually create a matching and pricing engine if I wanted. And I'm going to show you the basic archaic here. So this is all done in WSL Linux. So what you're going to look at here is the actual front end. This is it right here. In here, I can put in my charting. I could put on basically it's a dashboard. Um, and this is all generated by AI, if you believe it or not. So I'm going to stop the trading, do a complete reset. This is all simulated data. The C++ backend has no third-party dependencies. It's only dependent upon um, the standard template library, which is pretty usual in the world of high-frequency trading shops, just to make their coding more efficient. But the idea here, this is a live trading option chain here. And here you could put in your settings and apply them, reset, apply whatever you want, your risk-free rate, your date of expiry, target volatility, implied volatility, and that's called implied volatility. Put implied volatility in the hedge ratio, if you know all that fun stuff, and you can add your options as well. And we can start trading, and off it goes. Now, again, this is all simulated again. So current price of gold here, 3,300. Volatility set right now, 25%. Current P&L if we were to actively trade, and have our positions as well. We could do shorting and longing if we want. Again, 100% of this is generated by AI. I'm not going to show you the source code, but I'll gladly show you the coding structure here. So it's running right here. You can see what LLM we're using here. So the server. And on top of that, we have the other end as well, which is the server end right here, which is the web front, all in JavaScript. Okay, and we could customize that to whatever we want. We see here we're now in 5 positions. We're now already up around 17, 1800. I'm not sure what the starting capital is. That would be in the source code. But again, just to be able to generate this really fast, it just once again, whoever's telling you that AI is not applicable to the world of algo trading, applicable to the world of finance, let alone a full-on, complete HFT, high-frequency trading style with a built-in strategy as well, all from one report, as I've shown you right here. And this is specifically for gold in the front end here. That's the impressive part. So you can see here it's gold, and it's pretty impressive. Let's go back to the back end here, and then here's the Firefox getting launched. So I'm going to break that, and no, it's still running. And here you can see how it works. This is the structure. People are going to ask, well, I want the code. Well, unfortunately, I don't give out the code because of this. But as I said, I've already given you the hint of what LLM I'm using to do that. But right here, you can see it will build a build script for you. We have our a source file, which is the backend C++ coding, along with the web front end as well. So if you want to know more about this, what I would do is go over to my website at quantlabsnet.com and then hit on the Learn tab, or right here on the front end, and get yourself a free ebook on high frequency trading now. Now, so you can imagine the power that we're bringing here. If we're able to bring in all of these reports, we have, as I said, 39 of these. And right here, we can build one for oil. We could build one for dollar. We could build one for the ES, um, NASDAQ, any of these, and just feed in the report the current status, and it will build a custom strategy for us. Now, it might be wrong, of course, but imagine you'd be able to tailor it. And this is just with one performing LLM. So this is the power of this thing. If you want to know more, I'll be throwing everything up into either my forum, or more up to date will be the groups. And this is where we're going to start producing for our quant elite programming group and the analysis that goes with this, the quant finance group. But as I said, I've now opened up this group for public consumption. So this is fully open now. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.